Hello everyone, this is Karthik Tech and welcome to the channel. Okay, today I want to talk about a VPN called 11111. A lot of people are searching for VPN and they try, you can see, as you search VPN. You will see many open Turbo VPN, Lite, Free VPN, Proxy Server and Fast VPN. You can see free VPN, free VPN, free VPN client, speed, and all of these VPNs contain ads. And whenever you sign, that first of all they write free in their title, and whenever you download them and start use them, they ask for they don't provide they provide free servers that are already loaded with content or have huge traffic on them, and then they ask you to sign up for their basic servers that have less traffic. Okay, and then whenever you they are like 580, 680, 700 and 900 per month. Some VPNs are like 300 per month, but still they are costly and they don't try anything. But in this video I'm gonna show you a VPN that is basically free and it is trusted by many people, like, and developed by a, you can say, powerful organization called Cloudflare. So let's go to the VPN, and this is the VPN I'm talking about. And here comes, this is the VPN I'm talking about, 1.1.1.1. It does have an in-app purchase, but that's basically for, and their publishers are Cloudflare. Cloudflare people, they are basically the best CDN in the world after Google and Amazon AWS. So about this more private internet, 1.1.1. Or WARF, a free app that makes your internet more private. So let's go to the app. So it has a connection called WARP. Here you can see 1.1. Is your DNS changer. Okay, and here 1.1.1 is with your WARP is a VPN using a modern internet protocol. That's 1.1. Is Cloudflare DNS, and 1.1. with WARP is Cloudflare VPN. You can get 1 GB of WARP for free with after sharing. If you share it on, you can share it with anyone you want, and whenever they sign up, you get extra 1 GB. So, and for upgrade to WARP Plus, as you can see, the subscribe to WARP Plus Unlimited is around $1, 69.00. That's around 70 per month. That is per month. So purchase not made. Upgrade to unlimited 69.00 per month. Refer a friend or unlimited. You see this, let me show you the speed of my internet connection that I am getting right now. And with this, we using this, you do get it's connecting. I'm connected to Singapore. 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You do get speed, but it might be slower due to because of VPNs. There are a lot of VPNs that connect you, but still the same. As you can see, my upload speed is around 42, 41. Anyway, my Wi-Fi do have a traffic connected to 6 ohms. Next thing is the PUBG Mobile is not working, and with this VPN I can use my PUBG Mobile I can play that game also. So if you wanna use, you can download it from Google Play Store or the link in description. This is basically the best VPN I have come so far. I have been using it for 2 years, the Warp only, and thinking about purchasing Warp Plus. I'll try next year. That I'm trying to purchase from January. I'll start using War Plus from January and see if they're changing something. I will upload the video, create a new video and upload it on YouTube. So thank you and do subscribe to the channel.